So the only way the time set is the very first unit, the master. This is how long it's going to run when one vehicle approaches it and activates it. It'll stay continuously running for that. They'll set it according to how busy that road is. And the way this works is time scale equals the total runtime. So there's seconds, minutes, and hours. So if they'd like it to run for 30 seconds, they could do 3 seconds and set your scale to 10, because 3 times 10 is 30. There it is. It gives you a lot of adjustment on that.